Hello students, in this video I'm discussing about capacity and location planning. Okay, that comes under module 3. Okay, so first we move on to importance of capacity decisions. Okay, so here uh, capacity is a rate of production capability of a facility. Okay, so capacity is usually expressed in terms of volume of output per unit time, right? So the effective management of a capacity is the most important responsibility of production management because of the following reasons. Okay, so the first reason is uh, sufficient capacity is required to meet the customer demand in time. Okay, and the second reason, the capacity affect the cost efficiency of operations. And the third reason is capacity affect the production and delivery schedules. And the fourth one is capacity affect the cost of maintaining the facility. Fifth one is capacity creation requires huge investment. Okay, so these are the reasons. Okay, so the capacity planning is the first step the first step of the organization deciding to produce more of an existing product or produce a new product together. Okay, so the capacity planning is a strategic decision, and revenues have okay strategic decision. Okay, which means that decisions regarding the capacity cannot be changed from time to time. Okay, so the cost and revenues have to be carefully evaluated before any capacity decision is taken. Okay, so the capacity planning has to be carried out keeping in mind future growth and expansion plans, market and fluctuations, technological trends, and long-term forecasting, etc. Okay, so thus the main objective of capacity management uh, is to match the level of operation to the level of demand in order to reach the higher productivity and higher profitability. Okay, it is the main reason. Okay, so main objective. Okay, so the steps, next we move on to steps in capacity management. Okay, so here there are 7 steps. Okay, the first one is environment impact study. Second step is demand forecasting. Third one is assessing the existing capacity. Fourth one is identifying the alternative ways to modify the capacity. Fifth one is evaluating the economical and technological feasibility of alternative capacity plans. Okay, and the sixth one is select the best plan. In that we have to select the best plan. Okay, so the last one is implementation. Okay, so these are the 7 steps which in involved in capacity management. Okay, so capacity management is basically concerned with defining a long term and the short term capacity which needs of business organization, and determining the how these needs will be satisfied. Okay, so the capacity planning is a decision are taken based on mainly on the demand forecast and the sources available with the company. Okay, so the for a efficient capacity planning, it is a vital to growth and survival of a company. Okay, so the various steps involved in a capacity planning, as you can see from this chart, right, or a block diagram. Okay, so here the first step is before commencing any capacity, the study of the impact of the working of a plant on a environment is studied thoroughly, right? So any project which is against ecology should not be post. Okay, so it's a first step, and the second step is demand forecasting, right? So the capacity of the plant is basically decided on the demand forecasting. So the forecasting has to be efficient since it holds a key to unlock the door of success. Okay, so the third step is assessing the existing capacity. So if the plant is already exists, the correct assessment of the capacity has been done. Capacity measure can be different for different organizations. Okay, and the first step, if the capacity is sufficient to meet the demand, we can expand the capacity or identify the various other alternatives. Okay, various other alternatives to modify the capacity. Okay, and the fifth one is evaluating the economical and technological feasibility of alternative capacity plans, right? So here every alternate plan is tested for economical and technological feasibility. Okay, so the sixth one is select a best plan. Okay, so the best plan or a plans are selected in this stage. Okay, and the last step is implementation. Here they are implemented in total. Okay, so these are steps involved in capacity planning and importance of capacity decisions. Okay, so the next part we will discuss in next video. Okay, thank you.